Did you hear that they have a new record? And today or tonight is we have the possibility to play one of the new songs, okay? And this song is, we did it only in the afternoon as we were here at the rehearsal, you know. And we tried to play it now for you for the first time, okay? The song is called Sweet Sounds Are Falling from Heaven with Lady Gaga. Bless the Father, bless the Son, and the sound of the drums as it echoes through the way and it bursts. And the woman of the town, you hungry tonight, these protect us from the I smell the wind, sweet of family.